I constitute this congregation.
Thank you.
Dear graduates, we congratulate you upon your successful completion of your studies. What you have achieved today may seem normal to many, but to the contrary, you must be glad that we are not celebrating a mere award, rather the practical knowledge and skills that you have acquired. We therefore want to call upon you to make productive use of these skills to impact humanity. With your skills, go and conquer the world. The world will not celebrate you by the number of awards, but the challenges you'll have addressed with your knowledge and skills. We also implore you to understand that without integrity, humility, courteousness, accountability, contentment, innovativeness, and creativity, you will definitely turn into evils in the world of work and society at large. We congratulate you once again and wish you the very best as you begin off your new journey in life. You should know that learning is continuous. New things come and go, so endeavor to update your skills set, but most importantly, love your Kabaka and your God.
Namakola Jessica has proved to be the best among all candidates. Parents of Namakola Jessica, would you please kindly come and join her as she receives the present? The parents of Namakola Jessica, wherever you are, please. Abazadde ba Namakola Jessica, tusembereko, tumuwerekereko ng'afuna ekirabo okuva ewa Katikkiro. We are grateful. We are grateful. The Katikkiro hands over the present to Namakola Jessica, who has proved to be the best performer of the year 2023 for this 18th graduation of Buganda Institute of Business and Technical Education. She has graduated with a diploma in kindergarten and infant studies.
Dear graduates, this graduation is not just a personal achievement, you've been told, but it's collective. And this will make our institute triumph. The kingdom and the community. It represents the fruits of collaboration. You know, the hands or the brains, the resources that have made you achieve what you've achieved. So let your spirit of knowledge and the spirit of innovation that is at the heart of thriving society be in you. You've already been told that this is a dynamic landscape of today's world. So the demand for skilled professionals in technical and business fields is always high. Your education has equipped you with tools and knowledge necessary to navigate the complexities of modern workplace. The combination of technical expertise and business acumen you have gained will undoubtedly open doors to exciting opportunities and enable you to contribute meaningfully to the workplace. Dear graduates, dear Molly, as you step into the next chapter of your lives, remember that learning is a lifelong journey. You've already been told, but we need to remind you. The world is evolving rapidly. I think you've heard things like artificial intelligence. So you want to go ahead of that. So success will favor those who embrace change, adapt to new technologies, and continue to enhance their skills. I encourage you to remain curious, stay informed, and never cease to pursue your knowledge. But graduates, Jemuli, njagala mumpulirize bulungi ku kino. Mumanyi maama n'Abagereka kyaliko, si kya buntu bulamu. Obuntu bulamu kikulu nnyo. Obuntu bulamu kikulu nnyo. Ebbaluwa muzifunye, zijja kubatwala naye obuntu bulamu bwe bubasookanga mu maaso. Principal has told you the package of obuntu bulamu. So please, this is something that shouldn't be joked about.